I made a video on how to record a video on circular way just like a camera sliders. We'll put it soon. And don't go away. In this video I'm sharing my live illustration process using Procreate App on my 6th generation iPad. First of all, I am taking a A3 size canvas for illustration because it's suitable for quality printing and you can later print them also. And now I'm changing the canvas background color because when we record the iPad screen overhead, the white canvas exposes the screen so much and ruins what we are drawing on the video. And here's I'm using my artificial small flower plant for drawing and starting with its white pot. When I draw from live, the most important thing which I keep in my mind is a light source, depth and shadows. This all together will give a life to your artwork. And now I'm starting with the drawing. I'm using my iPad stand for a better angles. And I don't use lots of layer. As you see, the first one is a line drawing layer, then I have my main color layer, and last I have for background. That's it. And at the end I merge all the layers all together so that I can do the detailing on a single piece without getting confused, just like a manual work, and I love that.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing.